So our process involves, once we do the job saver tine and the slit seed, then we're using a drop spreader with a little bit of sand in it to help carry the seed. Bentgrass seed is really small. I'll show you some of it here in a minute. But and then we take the broom, just a heavy duty job site broom, and we push it, and it's not too hard through here, but boy, you get through some heavy Bermuda and it's hard. So what we're trying to do is stand the material up, kind of trying to push the bentgrass seed down into the slits, and then cover it up. And then Randy's going to come by, and Randy's going to mow it. And we're doing it without baskets, so that way the grass seed stays down on the in the turf. And in a few days we'll start using baskets, and then it kind of smooths it out, chops it off. In some of the heavy Bermuda areas, it's really chops it off pretty good. But that's basically our process. So overall, the collar should play pretty well. Some of them are a little beat up. This is the back of 15. Got a little bit hot, and but this will help clean it up the rest of the way. Then we've also got just a couple edges on some greens, a little bit of damage here and there, and we're popping those as well. So have a great day.